Anyword workshop. I'm Jenna, a content marketing manager here at Anyword, and today we're going to explore how to tailor your copy to your target persona. Hey Anyworders! I'm on Anyword and I'm going to create a customer persona. So first I'm just going to hit the personas tab right here. And you'll see I've already created personas for a college student and a football coach. For today's example, our product is coffee, so I thought that these were perfect target personas for coffee. And now we're gonna go ahead and add a new persona right here. All right, so you'll notice we have 4 different attributes to create your customer persona. We have the persona description, the gender, the age group, and a pain point, which is optional to include. For this example, let's create a persona for a new parent, because they can definitely use some coffee. The gender doesn't matter. For age group, let's do 25 to 45. And a pain point for a young parent would be that they have to stay awake and alert to take care of their young kids. So I'll enter my pain point right here and hit save. All right, now we have our 3 personas ready to go. And I'm just gonna go back into tools right here and create our first project with our customer persona. All right, so I'm gonna hit Facebook ad right here. And now I'm just gonna copy and paste my product's URL right here. And the AI will import all of its information into these categories. All right, awesome. So now I'm just going to add the customer personas. And for this example, I'm going to generate copy for a new parent. So I'm gonna select that and hit create project. So you'll see our custom templates for our customer persona of a new parent right here. And now we can choose to generate copy based on our persona description, the age group, or the pain point right here. For this example, I'll generate copy specifically for the pain point of a new parent. So I'm gonna hit here and click generate. Awesome, so here are some of the copy variations generated specifically for the customer persona of a new parent. If you want to generate copy for your other customer personas as well, just go back to your brief here and check off all the customer personas that you want to generate copy in. You can also create a new persona entirely by just hitting add new persona right here. This Anyword feature lets you generate copy that's specifically tailored to the different attributes of your customers.